Have you ever heard of moringa, also known as the miracle tree?
Moringa, the scientific name Moringa oleifera, is a fast growing, drought resistant tree native to parts of India, Africa, and Asia, and it's often called the miracle tree or the tree of life. But what is moringa? It's a plant known for its nutrient rich leaves, pods, seeds, and even roots. Nearly every part of the plant is edible and used for food, herbal medicine, or skincare. Moringa is highly valued in traditional medicine like Ayurveda and has recently gained popularity worldwide as a superfood.
This powerful plant is very nutritious. It can transform your health from the inside out. It's packed with nutrients and vitamins and minerals and is a powerhouse essential for your. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, strengthen your immune system,
Or get glowing skin.
Moringa has your back. So let's get into why you should add moringa to your wellness routine today.
Moringa is bursting with essential nutrients like vitamin A, C, E, calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Just a spoonful of moringa powder can deliver a concentrated dose of what your body needs to thrive. Studies show that moringa may lower blood sugar levels naturally, making it a great ally for those managing insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Moringa can reduce LDL cholesterol and support healthy blood pressure, two big factors in protecting your heart. The antioxidants in moringa support brain health, memory, and focus, while nutrients like iron help fight brain fog and fatigue. It may even help balance mood hormones. Moringa is rich in antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. These fight free radicals, protect your cells, and reduce chronic inflammation, a major root cause of disease. Moringa's vitamin A and E content promotes collagen, clears skin, and strengthens hair. Moringa oil is even used topically for deep hydration and scalp care. This superfood helps cleanse the liver and digestive tract, aiding in regularity and detox. It's a gentle, natural cleanser your body will thank you for. No crash, no caffeine, just clean, plant-powered energy thanks to its rich nutrient profile. Moringa helps rev up your metabolism and stamina. High in beta carotene and lutein, Moringa also supports vision and protects your eyes from damage.
Why I like my moringa is also because it gives me an energy boost, but it also is good when you're feeling a little bit ill. So like if you're getting sick or if you feel like something is just off with you that day, you may feel like you're not well, I'd like to reach for my moringa and just try to knock that out as soon as I feel a little something coming on. So I would put it in a tea, or I would take it in like some water, or I would grab one of my pills that I've made pre-prepared pills that I made, and I will go ahead and take those with water. So I would do that to try to combat whatever is going on at the time, to try to eliminate that out of my system.
There are many ways to use moringa. You can use the moringa in the form of a powder in smoothies, teas, or soups. You can use moringa oil topically for glowing skin and hair, as well as brew moringa tea from dried leaves. You can also make your own supplements by making capsules from the powder into an actual supplement form.
Caution: if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication, please consult with your doctor. I do want to start disclosing that. I do leave that disclosure in my description, but taking a large amount of moringa root can be toxic and it may interact with certain medications. So always speak to your healthcare provider first to see if it's okay to take moringa. Well, that's all I have for you today, and I appreciate you watching. If you found this valuable, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment below to let me know how you use your moringa. Is that something you've ever tried before? Or if not, are you willing to? All right, always, thanks for watching. Bye.